York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nassau County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Rockville Center, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Woodbury, Westbury, Wantagh, Valley Stream, Syosset, Plainview, Oceanside, Mineola, Massapequa, Lynbrook, Long Beach, Leavitt Townsend, Hicksville, Hempstead, Garden City, Freeport, Farmingdale, Elmont, Brookville, and Baldwin. Nearly continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. When thunder roars, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage when you can do so safely to the National Weather Service at 1-800-226-0217 or by email at okx.spotters@noaa.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Nassau, New York.
Coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles.